Hello, welcome to another episode of MK2 Golf Stories. In this episode we're going to be removing the turbo out of this GTD. So without further ado, let's do it. So we've just taken off all the big intake pipes and whatnot. We're going to take the rocker cover off, but before we do that we're just going to disconnect the battery. So before we can remove the head, we need to remove the turbo. And the first step in doing that is to take off the turbo exhaust pipe, which is this bit at the side here. There's 4 nuts on that, which we need to remove. So let's do that first of all. 13, correct.
Yeah, quite a lot of things are 13. Yeah, I've got a tube here. Yeah. Okay. That's alright, that'll get that now.
Oh, it's brilliant, this tool.
How many? 4?
Yeah. Keeping all our nuts together in a bag, always good practice. So we've got the oil supply line off now. So you can see that. Yep, here we go. So let's see what's next. So we need to disconnect the oil return line from the oil pan. Please disconnect this, basically.
Top and bottom, I think. Maybe just the top.
Well, not just here.
I'll do it both, can clean it out then.
Right, okay, yeah. So disconnect it here first.
Yeah.
And I'll try and do it from the top. There we go. It's coming. Now switch your eyes, there's going to be a load of oil coming out of there.
Shouldn't be.
Oh, there'll be some.
There's a load of grit in it, all that.
Yeah.
So it probably just won't clean it out. Where's it gone, that spanner? Is that it?
Yeah.
Right, upstairs now.
Right, so there we go, that's the return pipe disconnected. Next is to try and undo all of these which hold the turbo onto the exhaust. These 4 nuts, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's going to be quite hard to get to. You can see the other 2. Yeah, those there. So, need to get a new tool. We need to go and get a 12mm, 12 pointed, hopefully a bendy knuckle socket. So, off to Halfords. Well, I had to drive to 2 different Halford stores to get the socket I'm after, but I did eventually find one. Other auto factors and tool shop places are available, but this is what we need. 12mm, 3/8, 12-sided socket. This is a complete nightmare. So I can just about get a socket on, but I've not got enough room to turn the fucking thing. I just need a slightly longer extender. There's no room up here at all. After 2 hours of faffing about with restricted access to those bolts, because the drive shaft was in the way, we decided to remove the drive shaft basically, or at least drop it on one side, so we've got better access to them. There we go, so we've pulled the drive shaft out here, and that gives us more room, access just here, to hopefully we can get up there and undo them. So let's see. So taking the drive shaft off, and we're just trying to basically get this little pipe off. This pipe off here. So we've got it off at the bottom, and it's just here. If you want to buy a screen, we put some stuff in it to try and look for leaks. So I just need to undo that with an 18mm spanner on the top. Sorry, 19mm. Right, with the drive shaft off and that pipe off, it gives us a bit more room to try and get up here.
See you see it now. So you got to take the drive shaft off.
I said that already. Yeah, no way would have got, like I say, would have got it now without with the drive shaft off. Oh, fuck. Oh yeah, it's loose.
Lost it again now.
So with all 4 bolts out and the turbo exhaust pipe disconnected, the turbo will just slide off. Unfortunately, I didn't get this in my video. Sorry about that. So there we go, that's how you remove the turbo from a MK2 Golf GTD. If you found this video useful or interesting, please drop a like, click on subscribe, you can buy me a coffee or even sign up to Patreon and get your name on the end of the episodes, like no one else has done. The next video we're going to be doing is taking off the head. Thanks a lot, bye.